Hello friends, welcome to your YouTube channel Infinite Target. I am Roshan Rathod. Today I am going to discuss the second lecture on manufacturing engineering. So today I am going to cover the topic definition of manufacturing engineering, types of manufacturing engineering, then types of industries based on manufacturing industries and types of production system. So let us start with the definition. In last lecture we already see the concept of manufacturing is nothing but it is a process converting the raw material into finished product is a manufacturing with the help of some process. If we talk about the definition of manufacturing, so the raw material is converted into finished process with the help of some process is nothing but the manufacturing process. Then next one is the types of manufacturing. So basically manufacturing is classified into two terms. First one is technological aspect and second one is the economical aspect. So if we go to the technological aspect, is nothing but raw material is converted into finished product with the help of machine, man, material and power. Power is nothing but the electricity, means 3M and 1P concept is nothing but technological aspects of manufacturing. Then next one is economical aspects. So economical aspects is nothing but we add the some values in the same process. This is the technology aspects. In that I am just put the some value added services. Value added services means I have tried to change the material. Here material may be change or shape and size of product as per the requirement of customer. The value will be added in the process, nothing but the economic aspect of the manufacturing system. This is all about the types of manufacturing. The next point is the types of industry. So now the industries are classified into three categories. First one is the primary, second is the secondary and third one is tertiary. They are classified. First one is a primary industry. Primary, second one is secondary and third one is the tertiary. They are dependent on each other, means the primary industry consists of agriculture, mining, fishing. Those are comes under the primary, means they produce the raw material. If the primary industry produces the raw material. Then the secondary industry consists of the manufacturing hub means the secondary industry use the raw material from the primary industry and produce the products. Is produce or manufacture products. This is a function of secondary industry. Next one is the tertiary. The tertiary use the product from the secondary industry and provide to the customer, means it deliver supply to the customer. Nothing but the work of tertiary, means the Flipkart, Amazon is comes under the tertiary industry. So these are the industry based on the manufacturing process. They provide the services to the customer and produce the material from primary, it transfer to secondary and then transfer to tertiary. This is a flow process of the manufacturing system and the manufacturing system. Okay. The next one is the types of production system. The production system is classified into four categories. As I mentioned already, these are the production system, job production system, batch and mass production. These are based on the manufacturing units. The first, if I talk about project production, The second about job. So in project production system, I have just manufactured one unit, means one quantity or one unit. Then in job production system, I have increased quantity up to 1 unit to 10 unit. Maximally, I have manufactured 10 units of quantity in the job production system. Then next one is a batch production. In batch production, the quantity varies between 10 units to 100 units. And in last, the mass production system, mass production is above than 100 units. So means the types of production is classified on the basis of quantity or the units. Means project is cover 1 unit, job production consists of 1 to 10 units, batch production consists of 10 to 100 units, and the mass production is consists of more than 100 units. This is all about the manufacturing engineering topic. In next lecture, upcoming lecture, we have started the machining process, means lathe machine, then we go to the drilling machine, like different machining. So thank you.